Hi guys, this is Ali here, and this is the Forex weekly analysis starting January 6, 2019. And we're going to start now with the first pair that we have, which is Euro USD. In this pair, we will notice in 4-hour time frame that we have here an instruction resistance structure over this area, which is tested one, two times, and we have here retest after it broke for one, two, three times. Our plan to sell this bear, and this is our entry that we are expected to sell this trade, this bear from it, which is 1.431. It's a golden ratio of this big impulse here in 1 hour time frame, or this is another, it's the our first entry. Our second entry will be the end of the bad pattern, which is located in 1.1474. This will be the second entry. Our stop loss here will be the stop loss of the bad, which is located in around 1.1540, and our first take profit will be around this area 1.1352, and second take profit will be here 1.13. And if the bear keep going fast, we will lift the second half of our position to run, and the our in this case our take profit will be around 1.10. Now we switch to another pair, which is euro euro yen. Euro yen here in the daily time frame, we have a supported channel. It's tested in the first time here, second time here, and it's broke. And now we are looking for a retest in this area, okay, to short this pair as well. And this zone comes with the 61.8 Fibonacci of the last impulse here. So we have here multiple reasons to short this pair. So we are in this gray zone. We were looking for reversal pattern, so we can enter this uh, trade with the small stop loss in 1 hour time frame here. Uh, another way to enter this trade for a short as well is to break and close below the support line here. After this huge drop in the first week of this year, the bear start to make some correction, and now the correction start to slow down, and we expect the breakdown here very soon. And once this happen, if it doesn't touch this area, so we will short this bear, and our first take profit will be around 120 20.80, and second take profit will be around 1.19 for this bear. Now we will switch to Euro CHF, and this pair we will start with the weekly time frame. Here we have a resistance area comes to it's broke, and now it comes to be a support area. And here we have, this is the first touch as a support, and this is the second touch. So it's formed like a double bottom here in the support zone. And in the daily time frame, the bear make a bat pattern which is complete at 1.1217 here in this area. We expect this bear to go up, and our take profit for this will be around here. This is our last take profit, but our entry here, I'm looking to enter this bear in 1 hour time frame, because we have here inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder head, and this is the right shoulder. I will enter this bear once the neckline breaks, and our stop loss will be in this zone, in this area, in this price level, which is 1.1225. And as I mentioned, our take profit will be on a daily time frame, so we will expect the first take profit to be in this area at 1.1450, and this is second take profit 1.17. Last take profit will be 1.1971. Now we will switch to the GBPUSD. And on the daily time frame here, we have this wedge pattern here, which is tested 1, 2, 3, and we expect 4 here, and then the price will reverse and keep going up. In the smaller time frame here, we have this resistance channel or resistance zone here around 1.28, which is psychological level. So we expect the price to touch this level one more time and uh, go down to this area near the left shoulder, which is meet with the one with the 61.8 Fibonacci level here around 1.25 or 1.2450, and from this area we expect the price will go up uh, to test this level around 1.29 or 2850. Then uh, maybe if it break and close above this resistance line, so our take profit will be around 1.3625 here in this zone, which is 61.8 Fibonacci level of this big impulse here. And also this is a support area in this price level, which comes to be a resistance as well. If we switch to the GBP yen, on 4 hour time frame, we have this area here. This is a support channel. uh, First test here, second test here, break, broke, and then now we are looking to retest to short this pair as well. And this zone comes with the 61.8 Fibonacci level from this big impulse here. So this is our plan to short this pair around 1.4250. Maybe the price reach 1.40 as a psychological level, then makes a reversal pattern here in this zone, then to go down. So we will keep an eye in this level before it goes up, before it's return. So we will keep an eye on 1.40. If it's failed, so it will we will keep an eye on 142.50 for a short setup near this zone. Now we will switch to the GBPUSD, and this pair here we have at the 4-hour time frame. We have a cipher pattern here, which is complete, which will be complete at 1.7715 in this area. Okay, and we also have a 61.8 as a golden ratio from this for this impulse at the same level at 1.7671. So we expect this zone here to be a reversal zone for this pair to go up. uh, we have this resistance line here as a confirmation for us to long this pair, and in case of we enter this trade after we find a confirmation in this zone, so our take profit here will be at 1.7930 and 1.8050, and our stop loss may be in below this area here around 1.7650 or 76 yeah 50 or 35, around this area below this support channel. Now we will switch to the GBP New Zealand dollar. Here we go. And this pair we will start with the daily time frame. As we see here, we have this support channel tested first time, second time here, and then it becomes to be a resistance. uh, if we switch to the 1 hour time frame here, we will notice that it's make for us a left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder. So we are waiting to break and close below the neckline. So we will enter this trade and our stop loss will be around 1.90. Yeah, it is big stop loss, but yeah, around 250 bib. But our take profit will be around here. So this is our first take profit, maybe second take profit will be here. So it is more than, it's almost 2 to 1. Now we will switch to the USD yen, and USD yen here we in the 4 hour time frame. Here we go. We have at the price level with of 110.60, we have this is the golden ratio here. So we'll keep an eye on this price level, here. Okay, and on the 1 hour time frame we have the support line after this huge drop, the support line which tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, or maybe 6 times, and now as we notice that is the bear start to moving sideways for around 4 or 5 hours, and now we are waiting for a break and close of the support line on 1 hour, or maybe 4 hour if you need to get more confirmation with the price action. And we will go ahead and short this pair, and our first take profit will be here. So we have around 170 bib take profit for 35 or maybe 40 bib as stop loss, so it's almost 3 to 1. Now we will switch to AUDUSD. For this bear, we have on weekly time frame, we have double bottom here. So this is the first bottom, second one, and we have here, this is weekly resistance line. Uh, we are looking to long this bear, and the entry point we are looking to get in with at this price level, which is 61.8 of this impulse here. Yeah, the price keep going up, so it is maybe change a little bit, but we are looking for any correction or retracement for this pair here, and then we will jump in and long this pair, and our targets here will be, this is for me, for B will be our my first target 73, uh, around 0.740. Okay, just in case if the price making continuation pattern, so I will enter this pair for long if it doesn't touch the or it doesn't come to this price level here. Now AUD yen, and here we are with the daily time frame. We have support at this point, another first touch, second touch, and the support comes to be a resistance here. This resistance meet a 61.8 Fibonacci level at 78 or around 79 level. So at this zone we are looking to short this pair. This is a daily time frame, and I will wait in 1 hour in this zone to find a um, reversal pattern. And we have also this support line. Okay, so if the price doesn't came to this zone and drop from this area, so I will go ahead and short this pair, and 73 here point 20, around 20 will be my first take profit, and 70 here will be my second take profit. So we'll keep an eye on this pair. So now it's start to move a side wave here, a side, yeah, here. So we'll keep an eye on this. We prefer to get a decent price action before we sell this pair. And now we will switch to AUD New Zealand dollar. go. And this with the 4-hour time frame. Okay, here we go. So in the 4-hour time frame, we notice that the prices keep going down here, and we have this resistance line. It is touched first time, second time, third time, and now it's broke. So I'm waiting to break and close above this resistance channel, which is this as a resistance here, break, broke here, and retest here, second retest. So if it's break and close above above the resistance channel, so I will long this bear. This will be my first take profit around 1.06 or 07. Second take profit will be in this area 1.0 1.09 here. Okay, and if I get a decent price action or any kind of reversal price action in this, so maybe I will go ahead and short this bear here. Stop loss will be around 40 to get around 100, so it's around 2.5 to 1. So we'll see. Yeah, the price starts slowing down, so we'll keep an eye on this one. We have here, it is kind of, yeah, bin bar. Here we go, this one. Okay, so I'm looking to another candle here, like mm, bearish candle, so we can get a decent confirmation, and our stop loss will be here above the resistance channel here. Now we will switch to the CAD CHF. Okay, with the CAD CHF here, 4-hour time frame, we have a support area here. This is the first touch, second touch, and broke. Then first retest, second retest, and we expect it's the price to keep going up and retest this zone for a third time, and this will meet with 0.75. So this is a psychological level. Also, we have here this crab pattern. This will complete here around 7450. So we have here multiple reasons to short this bear. And in case of we switch for the weekly time frame, so we will notice that the bear is make for us a head and shoulder, and it's already broke the neckline, so it is good for sell. Uh, but we are looking for a decent stop loss, and instead of enter here, our stop loss will be above the right shoulder, so it's 600 or 650 bib. That's too much. So if in case of we enter with the crab pattern with this resistance channel on the 4-hour time frame, our stop loss will be less than this. Just in case we take this here, okay, so our stop loss will be, if it's completed just with the crab, so yeah, around 80 bib. But we add this because of this is as a 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking on 1-hour time frame in this zone for a reversal pattern in 1 hour, maybe like a head and shoulder or double top or something like this. So we'll keep an eye on this one. New Zealand CAD. Okay, about this bear, um, we have um, multiple analysis in this bear, but I'm still going with the trend here, and the trend, as you see, trend is still uh, bearish. So we have here an impulse, then impulse, then it's a correction here, and another impulse here, and this a correction. So we can expect another impulse maybe in this zone here. So we will not enter this bear as a short until it's break and close below the supported channel in this area. And if we enter here, so yeah, our take profit will be 0.8840, and our stop loss will be, yeah, it is 0.9050 for this bear. So we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, that's all for this week. We I will post more videos during this week with any of the trades that I'm entered to show the stop loss and take profit and the psychology behind this. So just, yeah, keep following. Have a good week and most profitable week. Bye.